What if you could run an AI assistant on your own laptop without sending every prompt to a cloud service? That is the simple idea behind Ollama. It lets you download open models, run them locally, and talk to them from your terminal or from your own apps. In this video, we will keep everything beginner-friendly. No complicated theory. Just the steps. Install Ollama, run your first model, chat with it, manage models, use the local API, and understand what stays private. Ollama is a small local AI server. Think of it like a model launcher for your computer. You choose a model, Ollama downloads it the first time, and then it runs that model on your machine. It can use your CPU or GPU depending on your hardware. The important part is this. After the model is downloaded, many local chats can happen on your laptop. That makes Ollama useful for learning, private drafts, coding experiments, and building local AI tools. Step 1 is installation. Go to the official Ollama website and download the version for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Install it like a normal app. When the install finishes, open a terminal. On Windows, that can be PowerShell or Command Prompt. On Mac OS or Linux, use Terminal. Type Ollama and press Enter. If the command opens the Ollama menu or shows help, the install worked. That is your starting point. Step 2 is running your first model. The official Quick Start shows this command, Ollama run Gemma 4. The first time you run it, Ollama downloads the model, so it may take a while. After that, it opens a chat in the terminal. Now you can ask a simple question like, explain local AI in one paragraph. When you want to leave the chat, type /by. That is the whole first loop. Run model, ask question, exit. Now slow down and choose the right model size. A small model is better for a beginner laptop. It downloads faster, uses less memory, and feels more responsive. Bigger models can be smarter, but they also need more RAM and more compute. If your laptop feels slow, do not assume Ollama is broken. Try a smaller model first. For learning, speed matters because you want to test ideas quickly, not wait forever for every answer. Step 3 is managing models. Ollama keeps downloaded models on your computer. To see what you already have, run Ollama ls. To download a model without starting a chat, run Ollama pull followed by the model name. To remove a model you do not need, run Ollama rm followed by the model name. This is important because models can be several gigabytes. Treat them like large apps. Keep the ones you use, remove the ones you do not. Step 4 is using Ollama from an app. Ollama automatically serves a local API on your machine. The default address is localhost port 11434/API. That means another program on the same computer can ask the model for an answer. For example, a Python app, a Streamlit dashboard, or a small chatbot can send a request to Ollama and display the reply. This is where Ollama becomes more than a terminal chat. Here is the easy mental model. The model is the brain. Ollama is the local server that wakes up the brain. Your app is the face that users click and type into. So the app does not need to contain the model itself. It only needs to call the local Ollama API. That is why Ollama is great for prototypes. You can build a private assistant, a document helper, or a coding tool while keeping the model running on your own machine. Now the privacy part. Local AI is not magic, but it gives you more control. If the model is already downloaded and you are chatting locally, your prompts do not need to go to a cloud model. That is useful for notes, drafts, personal files, and experiments. Still be careful. Your computer may store chat history, logs, or model files. Protect your laptop, avoid pasting secrets into random apps, and remember that privacy also depends on the tools connected to Ollama. If something goes wrong, use this simple checklist. First, confirm Ollama is installed by typing Ollama. Second, run a small model first. Third, check your downloaded models with Ollama ls. Fourth, make sure the Ollama server is running before your app calls the API. Fifth, if a model is too slow, try a smaller one. Once those basics work, your next project is simple. Connect Ollama to a small app and turn local AI into a tool you actually use. If this made Ollama easier, subscribe to Life of Geeks. I make practical AI videos for people who want to build, not just watch DMOS. Comment OLLAMA if you want a beginner checklist for installing Ollama, choosing a small model, and connecting it to a Python app. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next local AI build.